Disha is my 8-year-old kid, and just like any kid of her age, she is super happy, jumping around, joyous all the time, adventurous. Most importantly, she is very expressive. She's the one in the family who would make greetings cards and all the time write very beautiful notes with a lot of emotions. Just like the last time when I went on a trip, she had written, "Amma, when you go away for a few days, it feels like years." This is the level she emotes, and I love the way she expresses. Recently happened that just now I'm out, and I couldn't tell her because it was an immediate travel, and I said, "Disha, I'm sorry I couldn't tell you. I'm out. I'll be back very soon." She was like, "Amma." I said, okay, I'm sorry. We'll do something very nice once I'm back." She was like, "You could have at least left a note." I realized how easy it was, how important it was, and what I missed to do. And I said, "Sorry, Disha, I am learning, and next time I'll ensure I'll do this." Instead of being happy, my child was confused, and she left me confused because she asked, "Amma, you are learning from me? Are you sure? And are you apologizing for not learning from me?" I got her point, and I said, "Yes, Disha, because you are doing the right thing, and to learn from you is the most amazing thing, especially when it is right. Isn't it that I have to do?" I asked her. She was stunned, and I felt the society is like this. We portray our children that we adults, parents, are always right. Whatever we do is correct. And whenever we rectify them, it is always wrong that they have done, and we do not allow them a chance to argue, put out their logical thinking. So parents, this is my urge to let us stop what we are doing. Allow them to be part of family's discussion, decision making. Let us not kill their logical ability. Let them put across their opinions, and let it be an open discussion all the time. And learning from them, yes, she learned composting. I never had learned in my school. There are so many things that I can learn from her. And most amazingly, this will help them argue and put out their point when they go out. When something is done at home is a learning, and when they go out and do is a savior for life.